Hi, I'm Ed McCann. I'm the director of Virginia Normal. We were one of the proponents of the marijuana resolution that I want to thank you for supporting, at least part of it. In fact, I think that's probably the most important part because as localities, you don't have much discretion for criminal laws. And the state needs to hear this message from the localities. One thing the state also needs to hear, and other officials in Virginia, and that is the truth, because they are spreading misinformation. One delegate in the Capitol last year said to the effect that nobody goes to jail for marijuana possession. A few weeks ago, in response to Pat Robertson, the Commonwealth Attorney of Virginia Beach said that nobody in the country goes to jail for simple marijuana possession. Yet we find the direct evidence contradicting those views. These are our elected officials actually giving misinformation regarding the issue, and we're doing the research to clarify that. We think that the resolution was a good first step in our effort to make more appropriate marijuana laws. It will allow the city to transition to more drug prevention and treatment and away from enforcement as tools deal with drug abuse. The message that it sends to young people, this is the key message. And we don't send the message to young people that alcohol is great and we should all booze it up by maintaining it as a legal substance. And we don't do that by carding young folks when they buy cigarettes. We don't send that message. We don't want to. We, the marijuana reformers, do not want children to use marijuana because we understand the effects of it better than anyone else. It is a risky substance, and you must be mature to make the decision to use risky substances, in our view. I want to throw out some numbers just so we can get a handle on the local use rates. If we're talking about generally most places in Virginia mirror national statistics. About 36,000 adults in Charlottesville. About 16,000 of them have used marijuana. 16,000 of them have committed the crime in their lifetime, 44%. Approximately 4,000 adults this year, or 11%, will use it. 2,400, or 6% of adults, are using it this month. The law is not preventing these people from using it, and it instead only furthers the harm inflicted upon them. Now, I have a lot of sympathy for the folks who came up and spoke to their addictions. I would not want an addiction on anybody, be it for alcohol, tobacco, or in my case, chocolate. I wander out at 11 o'clock at night to get chocolate, and whether that's disturbing or not, I don't know. But I don't think the criminal law is an appropriate method to deal with that issue. I'm sorry. And as has been stated, half of us here in this city, at least, probably more from our demographics, want marijuana to be legal in an open market where children can be ID'd and people and the whole system can be regulated, unlike what it is now. I wanted to bring up, as on a humorous note, I looked through the criminal code, found a law that I don't think is being enforced one bit, and that's the law 18.2-345, lewd and lascivious cohabitation. This is a Class 6 felony. This is the easiest thing in the world to determine from a police standpoint. You ask if the domestic call, if the participants are married, and if they're living together. If not, they get a felony charge. This is not enforced. We think that some crimes are just not worthy of being enforced, and marijuana possession is one of them. We are responsible cannabis users, and we thank you for passing the resolution.
Thank you.